Today, we're going to be replacing the hatchback struts on my Ford Escape. As you can see, the existing struts are completely ineffective. We are using generic gas struts, and these have a plastic ball socket on them that attaches to the mounting stud on the vehicle. This is a typical socket stud with a clip retainer design, and all you need to do is put a screwdriver or pick behind the clip, and as you can see, the socket disconnects from the stud quite easily. Then you just pop in the new stud and do that in two places. Here I'm doing this alone and I'm actually just holding up the hatch with my hand. They don't recommend that, but it only takes like a minute and it's pretty easy, so I just decided to go ahead and do it without help. Moving on to the passenger side strut and using the same process, popping out the first clip from the ball socket, installing the new strut, and moving on to the second ball socket. Again, this is very easy if you find a tool that you can get underneath the clip and pop out the socket. And now the moment of truth. And for dramatic effect, in slow motion.